Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting clean data because SPSS expects tidy columns. Open your form's responses and click the green Sheets icon to produce the spreadsheet. Once there, scan the header row and delete any extra instructional rows or merged cells that Google sometimes injects. Make sure each question has its own column and consistent formatting. Dates, numbers, and multi-selects need attention. When it's clean, download the sheet as a CSV using File, right arrow download, right arrow comma-separated values. That CSV is what you'll import into SPS. Now you import the CSV into SPSS and define what each column means. In SPSS, choose File, right arrow open, right arrow data, and select your CSV. Use the text import wizard to confirm delimiters, first row as variable names, and data formats. Next, open variable view and set variable types, widths, and labels. Give value labels for categorical responses so output is readable. For questions that allowed multiple answers, create separate 0/1 indicator variables or recode them into a single categorical variable, depending on your analysis plan. Finish by validating and saving your work so analysis is reproducible. Run frequencies and descriptives to find missing values, impossible codes, or outliers. Correct them using recode or compute as needed. After cleaning, save the dataset as an SPSS. Save file so variable labels and value labels persist. Use File, right arrow save as. If something goes wrong when importing, check the CSV's encoding, UTF-8. Confirm commas are the delimiter. Ensure the header row has unique names, and verify consistent formats for dates and numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.